me? Can you focus on me?
Sanibonani. Guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, it's your girl Asanda Masego. If you're a returner, welcome back to Jalan. So today it's Monday, and yeah, it's Monday. I don't think I will cook. No, guys, I will cook with you later on. Right now, see it down in Hambanani just to buy some few things. Ezishotayo, not few things, if it's just cereals and nama-noodles phela, then ishayile siyabuya guys. I don't know if ngizovlogga a town, but then I will try by all means ukuthi nginenzele, because I want to post this vlog today. So yeah guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Tell a friend ukuthi yay, there is this girl onanda sivulela ikhishi and everything. Ukubalekile nje wena ukuthi usubscribe, then leave your heart kuma comment just to show some love angithi lalela. So right now I'll show you Ootd yami. I don't know guys, I've started gymming. I think it is 1 week now. Ngiyajima, ngenza ama-squats, ngenza ama-planks, ngenza guys, it's hectic. I'm skipping nje. So I don't know, mina, to me, sengiyawubona umehluko, I don't know game, but guys, we'll do a reveal, the full reveal, and a review. I think ngey-30 or ngey-31, I don't know, I think ngey-30 or ngey-31, because I want to finish a 30 days challenge. So yeah, I will show you guys bese ngiyasho ukuthi kungisebenzele or azange kungisebenzele. Problem is since ngicalile ukujima guys, ama cravings wami are so wild. Ngikhalela ikota, ngikhalela ukudla lo engibonayo ukuthi no man, I won't see progress mangidlala ukudla lokho. But guys, nginaleyo nkinga leyo. And on Friday, you remember ngenze ikota ngithi for everyone la endlini, then ngayidla. On Saturday mangivuka, there was this thing yokuthi no man, ikota girl, ikota. Even now, I'm craving for mapaloni, ama-chips. Guys, my cravings are so wild. I don't know ukuthi usathane wayangilinga. Yo, I don't know why, but guys, we will fight lawo my cravings and everything. Guys, njengoba ngishilo ukuthi ngiphukele i-tripod, so inkinga nje leyo. But let me show you my Ootd. Yes. So guys, this bag I got it Shein, I think 2 years back. Then ijacket here same Mr. Pricey, ipolane give Mr. Pricey. Then ngaphansi there is a vest, same Mr. Pricey nakhona. Ijin Mr. Pricey. Then sneakers, the black sneakers. I was a Total Sport. Now ngawathenga 2 years back. Then inwele zami. Then I have a scrunchie. The scrunchie ngiyasithengisa. Siphuma as a package, yeah, bag and everything. So yeah guys, this is my Ootd. I don't want to show you my full body because like I'm still gymming, so sizobona a full body ngey-30 or ngey-31, I'm not sure. But guys, yeah, this is my Ootd. So asambeni.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, had a faucet running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy or broke, I know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. just focus on me? Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on if I me?
Still got your smell wrapped in my bed sheets. Don't wanna wash it away. I know sometimes I get too caught up in all of the wrong things, but you're always there to guide me. Yeah, afraid to fall in love. I was wondering, maybe, could I make you my baby? If we do the unthinkable.
I'm in my go yard, you go girl. I'm in my go yard, you go girl. Smell good, taste good, feel good, look great.
Me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone and you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, now we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause a thing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up, yeah. I wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on if I
was wondering, maybe, could I make you my baby? If we do the unthinkable.
I'm in my go yard, you go girl. I'm in my go yard, you go girl. Smell good, taste good, feel good, look great. I'm in my go yard, you go girl. I'm in my go yard, you go girl. Smell good, taste good, feel good, look great.
Hey. Still got your smell wrapped in my bed sheets. Don't wanna wash it away. Wanna be free when you're standing on the edge of time. One word's all I need to relieve you of your rising grief. Don't you? your damaged goods, damn it should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone gets hurt, that's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here. I wrote a lullaby for you. Yeah. Wasted, loving all the nights I spent wondering why we couldn't be. Ooh. And now that you're alone, you're on my phone, running game. But maybe, baby, when it settles in that you're to blame, we could move on, pick up where we went wrong, baby. Everyone gets hurt, that's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here. 'Cause maybe in time you'll see, maybe I can be all you need. Yeah, lay all your love on me. Mama's here. Oh, I wrote a lullaby for you. To fall in love. My past relationship was a disaster, but now I don't care. 'Cause you took my scars, bruises and broken heart, numbed all the pain, show me how to heal, and now I don't feel broken anymore. Still got your smell wrapped in my bed sheets. Don't wanna wash it away. I know sometimes I get too caught up in all of the wrong things, but you're always there to guide me. I used to be afraid to fall in love. A past relationship was a disaster, but now I don't care. 'Cause you took my scars, bruises and broken heart. used to be afraid until I met you. I was insecure, caught up in the pain, but you showed me how to heal. Took my scars, bruises and broken heart, numbed all the pain, show me how to heal, and now I don't. If you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out the door. Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here. I wrote a lullaby for you wasted, loving all the nights I spent wondering why we couldn't be. Ooh. And now that you're alone, you're on my phone, running game. But maybe, baby, when it's settled.